All right, tech enthusiasts, buckle up. We're kicking things off with a jaw-dropping announcement from OpenAI and NVIDIA, who are forging a massive strategic partnership to build at least 10 gigawatts of AI data centers. This isn't just a handshake. It's a $100 billion investment from NVIDIA to fuel the next generation of AI infrastructure, with the first gigawatt expected to power up by late 2026. This is huge. But wait, there's more. OpenAI isn't just building the brains, they might soon be building the bodies. We're diving deep into the whispers and reports suggesting OpenAI is making a serious comeback in the robotics arena, eyeing humanoid robots to give their AI a physical presence in the real world. Could this be the next big leap towards artificial general intelligence? And speaking of massive moves, let's get crystal clear on that monumental $100 billion deal between OpenAI and NVIDIA. We're talking about a strategic alliance that's set to deploy NVIDIA's cutting-edge systems, co-optimize roadmaps, and essentially supercharge OpenAI's quest for superintelligence. Jensen Huang and Sam Altman are calling this the next leap forward, and the scale is simply unprecedented. We're covering all this and more, from the massive AI data center build-out by OpenAI and NVIDIA to OpenAI's potential entry into the robotics race. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and understand the future of AI, you absolutely need to be subscribed. Hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. OpenAI and NVIDIA, the $100 billion AI data center power play. This is it, the announcement that's sending shockwaves through the tech world. OpenAI and NVIDIA have officially inked a deal, not just to collaborate, but to build a colossal AI infrastructure. We're talking about a strategic partnership aimed at deploying at least 10 gigawatts of AI data centers, a project backed by NVIDIA's commitment of up to $100 billion in progressive investment as these massive systems come online. Picture this: the first gigawatt is slated to go live in the second half of 2026, powered by NVIDIA's advanced Vera Rubin platform. This isn't just about more computing power. It's about creating the foundational infrastructure needed to train the most advanced AI models, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Jensen Huang of NVIDIA described it as the next leap forward, deploying 10 gigawatts to power the next era of intelligence, while OpenAI's Sam Altman emphasized compute infrastructure as the basis for the economy of the future. This partnership is more than just a massive investment, it's a deep integration. OpenAI will leverage NVIDIA as its preferred strategic compute and networking partner, with both companies co-optimizing their roadmaps for hardware, software, and AI models. This synergy aims to accelerate the development of AI breakthroughs and deploy them at scale, benefiting millions of users worldwide. The tech community is buzzing, with analysts highlighting this as a critical move to secure compute resources in the escalating AI arms race. The sheer scale of this investment signals a new era of AI development, where access to massive computational power is paramount. Stay tuned, because the implications of this partnership are vast and will shape the AI landscape for years to come. And next, we're diving into a completely different, yet equally groundbreaking, development from OpenAI, their potential foray into the world of robotics. OpenAI's robotics revival, building the future, one humanoid at a time. Remember when OpenAI surprised us with a robot hand solving a Rubik's Cube? Well, it looks like they're not just revisiting their robotics past, they're diving headfirst into a new era. Reports are swirling that OpenAI is gearing up for a major push into humanoid robotics, aiming to give their powerful AI systems a physical presence in the real world. This move comes at a pivotal moment for both OpenAI and the robotics sector. With the company's mission to achieve artificial general intelligence, AGI, giving AI a body allows it to interact directly with its environment, collect real-time data, and learn in ways previously unimaginable. Think of it as embodied AI finally taking center stage, moving beyond screens and keyboards to engage with the physical world. OpenAI has been quietly assembling a team of robotics experts and has even filed a trademark for user-programmable humanoid robots. This isn't just about building robots. It's about creating AI-first devices that can assist and entertain people, potentially serving as a bridge to more advanced AI development. The company's recent AI device, resembling an iPod Shuffle, hints at a broader strategy to gather data from both physical and digital realms. The robotics market is booming, with startups raising billions and projections forecasting the humanoid robotics market to exceed $5 trillion by 2050. OpenAI's re-entry positions them in a highly competitive but rapidly expanding field, potentially challenging rivals like Tesla's Elon Musk, and even influencing the global AI race against countries like China. This strategic pivot is fueled by OpenAI's immense growth, its restructured partnership with Microsoft, and its substantial valuation. By leveraging its vast user data and advanced AI models like GPT-4o, OpenAI aims to accelerate humanoid robot development and potentially spark another paradigm shift, much like it did with generative AI. This is massive. AI gaining a physical form could change everything we know about human-robot interaction. But before we get too deep into the future of robots, let's circle back to that monumental NVIDIA and OpenAI partnership we teased earlier. NVIDIA invests $100 billion in OpenAI, a colossal leap for AI compute. Get ready for the numbers. NVIDIA is set to invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI, marking one of the largest strategic investments in the AI space to date. This isn't just about funding, it's about building the backbone of future AI. The core of this partnership involves deploying at least 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA's powerful AI systems to fuel OpenAI's superintelligence ambitions. This massive infrastructure build-out is slated to begin with the first gigawatt coming online in the second half of 2026, utilizing NVIDIA's cutting-edge Vera Rubin platform. Both NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman have stressed the critical importance of compute power. Huang calls it the next leap forward to power the next era of intelligence, while Altman emphasizes that compute infrastructure is fundamental to the economy of the future. The collaboration goes beyond hardware deployment. OpenAI has designated NVIDIA as its preferred strategic compute and networking partner. They'll be co-optimizing their roadmaps, ensuring OpenAI's model and infrastructure software work seamlessly with NVIDIA's advanced hardware and software solutions. This deep integration aims to accelerate AI breakthroughs and scale their benefits to a global audience. This partnership builds upon a decade-long relationship between the two tech giants, dating back to the early days of OpenAI and the development of the first DGX supercomputer. It also complements existing collaborations with Microsoft, Oracle, and SoftBank, all focused on building the most advanced AI infrastructure. The implications are staggering, with experts noting that securing massive compute resources is now a key determinant in the AI race. This $100 billion investment by NVIDIA underscores the immense value and future potential they see in OpenAI's quest for artificial general intelligence. This $100 billion deal is truly a game-changer for AI development and compute power. Now, let's shift gears slightly and look at another major development from OpenAI that could redefine how we interact with technology. OpenAI and NVIDIA forge $100 billion AI future, a landmark partnership. This is the news that's reshaping the AI landscape. OpenAI and NVIDIA have announced a monumental strategic partnership, set to deploy at least 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA systems for OpenAI's next-generation AI infrastructure. NVIDIA's commitment includes an investment of up to $100 billion, progressively funding the deployment of millions of GPUs to tackle the escalating demand for compute power. The initial phase of this ambitious project is targeted for the second half of 2026, bringing the first gigawatt of systems online using the advanced NVIDIA Vera Rubin platform. This rapid deployment schedule highlights the urgency both companies place on scaling AI capabilities and the intense competition to develop increasingly sophisticated AI models. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang emphasized the deep, decade-long collaboration, stating, "This investment and infrastructure partnership mark the next leap forward, deploying 10 gigawatts to power the next era of intelligence." OpenAI co-founder and CEO Sam Altman reinforced this, noting that compute infrastructure will form the basis for the economy of the future, aiming to create new AI breakthroughs and empower businesses at an unparalleled scale. This alliance designates NVIDIA as OpenAI's preferred strategic compute and networking partner. The two giants will actively co-optimize their roadmaps, aligning OpenAI's software development with NVIDIA's hardware innovations. This synergy extends to existing collaborations with Microsoft, Oracle, and SoftBank, all focused on building the world's most advanced AI infrastructure. With OpenAI serving over 700 million weekly active users, the need for immense compute resources is immediate. This partnership directly advances OpenAI's mission to build artificial general intelligence that benefits all of humanity, solidifying their position in the AI race. This collaboration is set to accelerate AI development at an unprecedented rate. But what else is OpenAI cooking up? We're about to find out as we explore their surprising new venture into the world of robotics. And that's a wrap on today's AI news. We saw OpenAI and NVIDIA team up for a massive $100 billion AI data center project. OpenAI is reportedly diving into the world of robotics with humanoid robots, and we broke down the details of that groundbreaking $100 billion NVIDIA investment in OpenAI. Don't miss out on the future of AI. Hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for all your AI updates, ring the notification bell, and let us know in the comments which story you found most exciting. Follow us on social media for even more insights.